In today's video, I'm going to teach you import your logo. We're going to bring your logo into Premiere Pro and give it a clean, professional animation using keyframes so it slides, grows, and fades exactly when you want it to. First, get your logo ready as a PNG with a transparent background. That transparency is what lets the logo sit naturally over your footage without a box behind it. Drag the PNG straight into the project panel, then drop it onto the timeline on a track above your video clip. Think of the timeline like layers. Anything higher shows on top. If the logo looks too big or too small right now, don't worry, we'll handle size in a moment. Position your playhead where you want the logo's animation to begin. Next, click to select the logo clip on the timeline, then open the Effect Controls panel. Under Motion, you'll see Position and Scale, and a little further down, you'll see Opacity. These are the three properties we'll animate. Click the stopwatch next to Position, next to Scale, and next to Opacity to toggle animation. The moment you click a stopwatch, Premiere drops a keyframe at the playhead, capturing the current value as your starting point. Now set your starting look. For a slide-in, drag the position values so the logo sits just off screen in the direction you want it to come from. For a zoom or grow effect, reduce scale. This can be very small or even 0% for a dramatic build. For a fade, set opacity to 0%. These values define how the logo begins. Move the playhead forward to where you want the animation to finish. Half a second to a second is a good starting range. Change position to bring the logo fully on screen. Set scale to your final size, often around 100% or whatever looks right, and raise opacity to 100% so it's fully visible. Premiere automatically creates new keyframes at this point in time, giving you a complete animation from start to finish. Press play to preview. If the move feels too fast, drag those second keyframes farther to the right to give it more time. If it's too slow, bring them closer. You can also fine-tune by nudging individual keyframes for position, scale, or opacity until the timing feels natural. To fade the logo out later, move the playhead near the end of the clip and lower opacity. To slide it away, adjust position off screen again. That's it. Your logo is imported,